Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Vida. So grab your marker and follow along with me. Let's start with the nose first. So we're going to draw a little triangle. And that's going to give us an indicator for our nose. It's going to give us roughly an indicator where we can draw the eyes. Now, let's start with the eyes. We're just going to draw the bottom part of the eyes. The bottom line. And then you're going to make it nice and round on top. Let's do this on the other side as well. From here, I'm going to draw the eyelashes. And let's do the same on the other side. Now it's time for the pupils and the irises. And then light reflections. Let's color the pupils and the eyelashes in. Now right above the eyes, we're going to draw the eyebrows. You're going to take it from the eye upwards and then another one on this side. And right on top, we're going to make a number of hoops. There's one eyebrow. Let's do the other one. I'll do it from the other side. And now I'm going to make two curves going back to the eye. I'm not touching the eye and I'm just taking it all the way around. And I'll do the same on this side as well. Take it down and I'm going to take it all the way around. And I just stop next to the eye, and right here I'm just going to draw a little circle. And on this side I'm just going to draw another circle as well. Get a little inner circle, and right next to it let's draw a circle with a smaller circle inside. Let's draw a smaller circle and a smaller one as well. Now, right below the nose, let's draw a little smile. So you start off with a smile, you're going to draw the top lip and then the bottom lip. And now from the sides, we can draw the jawline. I'm going to start here at the eyelash. I'm going to make a nice curvy line right around. On the side I'm going to do the same thing. Nice curvy round line. And touching, and then on this side there's a little zigzag line that we'll draw on the face, and on this side let's do the same thing. Now I'm going to start here at the top, and I'm going to make a few bumps. I'm just going to draw bumps, and I'm going to take it right down to the eyebrow. And on this side I'm sort of going to copy the same bumps all the way back to the eyebrow as well, to the eyelashes as well, sorry. And now on top we're going to draw a braid. So I'm going to start here on top and I'm going to make sort of one braid, and then I'm going to bring another one and another one, and lastly I'll take another one right there, and I'm going to stop. Here I'm going to make a little braid, and I'm going to do the same thing now. And now on the sides I'm going to draw a flower. So I'm just going to draw a few curves, and I'll draw a little flower. And on this side let's do the same thing. And we'll draw a flower. Now I'm going to go back to the top and I'm going to finish the braid. Now on top I'm going to draw the top of the head. You start here at the top and I'm just going to draw a little patch of hair here on top as well and connect it to the braid. Now right here between Vida's eyes there's two little dots, and on top of the dots we have a beautiful little heart, and then on top of the heart we're gonna have 5 circles, and on both sides of the circles there's a heart on each side. So let's draw the beautiful heart right there on each side, and then there's sort of this little hook, and let's draw another hook here on both sides as well, just for interesting sake. There we go. Now on this side I'm going to draw another little flower, and now we can draw the body. So I'm going to draw the body. I'm going to draw the arms first. I'm going to draw just 2 arms going outwards like this. Then I'm going to bring it in on both sides, and then you're just going to draw the arms back. Now in this gap you're going to draw the torso. So you're going to draw 2 little lines like this, a torso, and then from this torso I want you to draw a series of little, let's make it a little bumps. You can draw just a few bumps like this. You're going to draw a belt going down, and then again a few bumps. There we go. Now we can continue with the decorations on her dress. So we'll just draw these half circles, and maybe draw a third one as well, and I'll draw something with a bunch of hoops again. Right here I'll draw a few basic shapes just for interest, and maybe something here as well. I'll do the same thing on this side, something a little bit different. There we go. And maybe just a little line there as well. Now I'm going to draw the hands. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a finger, another finger, and another finger. Then from here I'll draw a little thumb outwards. Let's do the same on the other side. So I'm going to start on the other side now, and I'm just going to draw a finger going back and a thumb sticking out. Now I'm going to go back to the hair. On this side I'll just draw a piece of hair going down, connecting it. And on this side I'm going to start on the inside. I'm going to draw a curl, and then I'm just going to connect it like so, and connect the hair back to the body. Now we can draw the dress. I'm going to draw a bell shape going out, and now you're just going to connect these 2 lines, and then a little underdress, and maybe some texture here as well. And now we can draw just 2 shoes. There's one, and there's the other shoe sticking out under the dress. And there we go, and there's Vida. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Vida will look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.